Yes, and most people there. And let me tell you, do you know we share common languages? Like they call their first daughter that too.
Yes, I was told that, but even at that, I'm still somehow in doubt. I'm not saying that I'm 100%. I don't have any evidence to back what I'm saying up. Oh. This is my own instinct anyway.
Yes. I understand. I mean, I can understand where you're coming from. After all, but you have to also understand that the Jewish people you're looking at now are not the same. Because they've been to Europe and then they came back. Okay.
Okay.
Also, do you know what they call broom? As these are too, the same thing. And they have towns like Aba and all that stuff.
Okay.
You know? But anyway, that is not what we're talking about right now. I just called to commend you. And also, I'm glad that you talked about this protest, that some people were talking about this protest, because I didn't know where it was coming from. You know, just like you said, some people are very quick to pick up something, and other people take a long time. Like me, it takes me time to understand. That's why I listen to all the programs to know where things stand, you know?
Yeah.
Because I mean, they were talking about protest. To me, really, it does not make any sense, because you don't get anything by making noise. You get things by action. You know, by paper. You file the papers and all that stuff. Simon has not been charged, though, remember?
Yeah.
Okay? Even though I know they are holding him illegally there, but then I don't know the law of Finland. I don't know how their law works. You know? So I don't really think that protest makes any sense. Dr. Ngozi Olabreze is such a person that she's quiet, and then she does things like, you know, she's more of an action lady than all these noisemakers. You know, I don't even. Can you believe I've never listened to Ogenkere for once? I don't know what they are. I used to listen to Adadi Ramon until she started messing up. Okay. By the way,
don't talk much. You can only say this guy Sonaprawa and their group. They were the one pushing him to say something. At least he know that he's not capable to do anything. Just that pushing me practice. That's what I'm using.
Aburu. That guy is nothing but an Aburu. I don't know. They are just there to disrupt our Biafra.
Yeah.
I mean, how can you go? How can everybody? I even saw that Barawa did not even come to Finland. I only saw his picture there, and I saw Vam them and Daddy Orama. And then how can we all sing USB and all that fun we had there, and you come back and you're saying fall back? I didn't, ever since then I don't even. I've never even before we went to Finland. I don't even listen to Vam and Barawa them, because I don't know what they are doing.
But you know, let me ask you, sir. Did you listen to the part where Ogenkere was saying that what am I going to tell Mike in Finland?
Yes. Okay. Yes, I saw that, but I didn't know the meaning of that. And he jumped on stage and was singing Ogechi. You know, because I didn't read any meaning into any of those things.
Okay.
But let me tell you something.
Okay.
Let me tell you something. If you were in Finland, you would not have any doubt about who is in charge.
Thank you.
You understand me?
Thank you so much.
Because in fact, that was the first time I really took notice of Ngozi Olabreze. You know how this thing, she was totally in charge of everything. Even this Adadi Orama making noise. Now, remember then Adadi Orama was pleading with her, can I come on stage with you?
Yes.
And then I was noticing everything. You know? Do you know that when we went out there in the cold to protest, okay, I did not see Ogenkere. Then, after the protest, one of my friends, a roommate in that Finland, told me, come on.